I know you know all the mistakes, which type of mistakes we do whenever we communicate with someone, whenever we communicate with people, whenever we communicate with any stranger, any interviewer, that time we make a lot of mistakes. And it happened with everyone. It's depend on confident. You know English language, you know your mother tongue language, but if you don't know how to communicate with someone, that is main thing. And whenever we talk with somebody, whenever we communicate with anybody, that time we create a lot of mistakes. I know mistakes are part of journey, mistakes are part of life, but if we aware of mistakes and then we focus on like mistakes improvement and try to articulate in a good way and try to improve confidence, then you definitely communicate very easily, then you communicate very impressive way. So you have to just focus on good communication, and good communication depend on confidence. If you have a good confidence, if you have a good courage, then you definitely communicate in impressive way. Then your communication is very impressive. Then you impress someone if you have a good command on confidence and courage. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 mistakes that whenever we connect with anyone, then we create. So in this video, just try to focus all the things, all the mistakes, and try to improve all the mistakes. And because whenever I started my journey, that time I made a lot of mistakes in front of camera, in front of people. Still, I am creating a lot of mistakes. I know, but I'm improving. I'm improving my confidence. I'm improving my courage. I'm improving my fear of facing camera. Like too many things, I improve a lot of things. But it happened. It's a journey. It's a part of journey. You have to just focus on like, yes, I want to become a good communicator. So in this video, I'm going to 5 mistakes that can really helpful for you. Try to improve these mistakes and try to inculcate the habit of good things and try to improve this. The number one is speaking too fast. So many people, they start from scratch. Many people, they start from scratch this journey. They want to improve English, but they forget that is speak slowly. They speak too much fast. They focus. If we have a good commands on speaking fast and fluency, then we communicate with somebody. Then we communicate with someone. Then we communicate in a passive way, and that is a mistake. Try to speak slowly. Speak, pause, little bit, minor pause, and again speak. Speak, pause, speak. And this is a roadmap when we connect with anyone, that time we use. Just focus on speak slowly. Mistake number 2, using too many filler words. I know I use too many filler words, and now I use I know. And beginners always do this mistake. Like there are so many filler words, like, hmm, yeah, actually, I know, yes, so there are so many filler words. And whenever we meet with people like any stranger, that time we mostly use so many filler words. And that is a mistake. Try to use little bit filler words and try to focus on communication. And whenever we focus on more and more filler words, that time we feel like a lack of confidence. So try to improve this mistake and try to inculcate the habit of don't use so many filler words. So mistake number 3, avoiding eye contact. Whenever we speak somebody, like I'm making video in front of camera and we avoid eye contact, look down, look up, look side, right side, look left side. There is a mistake. Whenever we connect with anyone, just make eye contact and speak on the spot. Then in your speaking you reflect your confidence. and you feel like more energetic, more confident, and more powerful. Just focus on making eye contact whenever you connect with anyone. So, mistake number 4, apologize too much. Whenever we speak with anyone, that time we use too many words like sorry, I am bad, sorry, my English is bad, sorry, I am not a good communicator, sorry, I am facing little bit issue, sorry, I am feel hesitation. So it's looking like unconfident. Whenever you say with anyone, any people, that time the person judge you like he is not a good speaker, he is a like a hesitation person, like he's not a good communicator. But it happened with everyone. But try to remove this habit, remove this mistake, and just focus on confidence, just focus on positive, use positive words. Yes, I'm able. I can do this. I'm able to this. I want to become a good communicator. Yeah, definitely I achieve my goal. So try to this inculcate this habit. So number 5, being afraid of mistakes. Guys, mistakes are part of journey. I'm making this video and I know I make a lot of mistakes while making this video, and I'm using a lot of filler words. I'm using too many wrong pronunciation, but it happened with everyone. But I know my improvement in just 6 to 7 months. I started from scratch. You watch my channel and you watch my first video, then you see the result between today's video between today's video and first video. Whenever I started my journey last December 2025, I started my journey, but now in just June month I improve a lot of things. I improve my courage, I improve my confidence, but I aware of my mistakes. If you are aware, just focus on improvement. Mistakes are part of journey. You slowly and gradually you improve your good habits. You remove all the fears. You remove all the mistakes. So it happened with everyone. Just try to focus on goal and keep improving every day, because mistakes are part of journey. So don't afraid of making mistakes. So these are 5 tips. These are 5 mistakes that can really very dangerous for communicator, because we want to become a good communicator and we make these type of mistakes, then our confidence is like that time we feel like a lack of confidence, lack of courage. So try to remove all the mistakes and start like focusing on more and more, like improve in your journey, in your improvement, and try to inculcate good habits in your daily routine and just revive your mindset and improve a lot of things. You have a good command and you can do this, because I can do this, then you can do this. Just focus on yourself, keep learning, keep growing every day. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.